part 2.
Why'd you stop the film?
I missed a couple cars.
Why'd you stop the film?
Huh?
Why'd you stop it?
Because I'm nervous it won't. Here's part 2. Oh, part 3, sorry. Yeah, I can barely see the heck. Look. Can't really.
It's okay, you can still see some of it.
Part 3, Canadian Pacific. Alright guys, so the signal was off.
That was a lot of engines.
He's probably gonna be long too.
Probably.
You think the northbound was in the siren when that cell phone came? Alright guys, so the signal was off, and it went to red, then yellow, because the northbound was, this one was a person, and it was coming, then it went to red, it passed, red, then went off, so it'll go, both sides are red now. Yeah guys, here's a northbound, Monday night, northbound. Sorry, it's hard to see, but I got to use this camera for now. I apologize guys, but just here, let's go closer. I had a Canadian Pacific engine. Did you read all the numbers?
I said them out loud.
It doesn't have a train where I'll be able to film the whole thing.
Yeah, but we gotta get home soon.
Huh?
Yeah, but we gotta get home soon.
Zoom. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. See better? Yeah, that's hard to see guys. I'm really sorry. Fuel gas car. Are your car lights on?
Yeah.
What is the end, I think? Yep.
Yep.
Alright guys, that's it. Long or short?
It's pretty long.
See if we see another glow light.
You won't see another glow.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Kimball Township, Michigan. Township, Michigan. Anything else? Alright guys, bye.